Hi everyone, I'm back to share another easy recipe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make double chocolate bread. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of chocolate chips divided, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of applesauce, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2/3 cups of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of butter softened, and 2 eggs. First thing you're going to need to do is, using the electric mixer, combine the butter and sugar until they're creamy. Next, whichever method you choose, you need to melt half the chocolate chips, which is a cup. I'm using my metal mixing bowl set on top of a boiling pot of water. If you use a double boiler that's made for this, great. If you don't, do what I'm doing or melt them in the microwave. Now add the melted chocolate and eggs to the sugar mixture and combine. Now you're going to add the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, applesauce, and vanilla and mix together. Now stir the other cup of chocolate chips in with a spoon. Spray your bread pan with non-stick cooking spray. I'm using a mini loaf pan that took about 35 minutes to cook. If you use a larger loaf pan, it's going to take about 45 minutes to cook. You're going to bake these in an oven that's preheated to 350 degrees until the center is done, which can be tested by sticking a fork or a toothpick in the center of one of them, and if it comes out clean, they are done. Now for the chocolate drizzle on top, you're going to need 1/2 cup of chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of shortening. Just like before, whatever method works best for you, the metal mixing bowl on top of a boiling pot of water, the double boiler, the microwave. What you're going to do is melt the chocolate chips with the shortening together. Now using a spoon, just drizzle the chocolate over each loaf. I hope you like this video. If you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any great recipes.